If you live in Nigeria and want to buy products from eBay, you might be wondering how shipping works and whether sellers deliver to your country. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy and ship from eBay to Nigeria step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to find items that ship to Nigeria and how to receive them bisuhula and safely. First, open the eBay website or app and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one and make sure your shipping address is set to your Nigerian address. This helps eBay show you items that can be delivered to your location. Next, search for the product you want to buy. Once you see the results, use the filters to select items that offer international shipping or specifically ship to Nigeria. Always check the shipping section on the product page to confirm whether the seller delivers to your country. When you find an item, review the price, shipping cost, and estimated delivery time. Some sellers ship directly, while others use eBay's global shipping program, which handles international delivery and customs. If the seller does not ship to Nigeria, you can use a third-party shipping or forwarding service. These services provide you with a foreign address, usually in the US or UK, and then forward the package to Nigeria for a fee. Once you're ready to buy, click on Buy It Now, or place a bid if it's an auction. Enter your shipping details carefully and choose your preferred payment method, such as a debit or credit card. After placing your order, go to your purchase history to track the shipment. Keep an eye on updates and estimated delivery dates so you know when to expect your package. Also, be aware of customs duties or import charges that may apply when your item arrives in Nigeria. These fees depend on the value and type of product. In this tutorial, we learn how to buy and ship from eBay to Nigeria by setting your address, finding sellers who ship internationally, using forwarding services if needed, and tracking your order. This makes international shopping simple and manageable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.